we're going to learn how to score in SPSS. And we can use this to take some of these variables, like you see these STIG variables here, are all individual questions on a measure. And in order to use measures in analyses in SPSS, we have to come up with totals. So today we're going to take a look at the locus of control scale. This scale is a good example of scoring because it is split up into 3 different domains. So we have internal locus of control here, powerful others, and chance. And each of these domains has different questions that are included in their totals. I have already created locus of control internal, so today we're going to create powerful others. So what I do is I go into my data view here, click transform, compute variable, and as you can see, this is from me creating internal. I'm going to call this target variable box here is where you type in what you want the new variable to be called. So I'm going to call this one LOC powerful. And then you just pull over all of the variables that the scoring sheet on the measure has together. Sometimes you can find this in the original article of the development of the measure. Other times you have to look a little bit deeper for it, but we have it here for our convenience today. So the first 3 items are 3, 8, and 11. So I'm going to pull over LOC3 first by clicking this, making sure that I include the addition sign every time. I always like to double check and not rely on my own memory because I want to make sure that everything gets included. 13, 15, 17. And then the last 2 are 20 and 22. And then I just like to go back and double check again to make sure I didn't miss anything. 3, 8, 11, 3, 8, 11, 13, 15, 17, 20, and 22. And then this one says to add 24 to that total. So all we do for that is click the addition button and type in 24. And if you ever came across a scale that wanted you to multiply it by something, then you can just push this and type in whatever you need to multiply it by, but we're not going to do that today. So then all I do is select OK. And then I can check to make sure that it worked. Well, here we were already here, so you can see that these are the total scores. You can also go into variable view and make sure that it came to the bottom. Any new variable that gets created will go to the bottom. Now for this one, what's important to know when you're scoring stuff like measures or scales is what these numbers mean. So we'll look at this. It says high ratings on either the powerful others scale or the chance scale indicate a strong external locus of control. So here we can see that this person with a 55 has a higher external locus of control than this person with the 41. And when we wanted to use these in analyses, if we wanted to measure external locus of control, we could use just this box in the analyses, just this variable. So I hope that you found